Okay, so we're going to go ahead and explore Storybird, and it would be storybird.com. This would be what you would see at the website. And over here you have sign in if you already have an account, or you can sign up for free. So for regular users, this is where you would log in. If your teacher has created a class account, then you would click on student here, and it is free for teachers. I've already created an account, so I can show you how to navigate through this website. So once I've logged in, this is our home page. You're going to see your username over here, and then up here we have a lot of tabs. This would be notifications that you would get. This is where I can navigate through my page. If I'm assigned to a class, I can see all my classmates here. As I log in, I earn badges, and when I create stories as well, I earn crowns. And then the favorites tab is for any stories that I've read. I can click them as my favorite, and this is where I can go to find them. So this is where we want to begin creating our stories. We can start by looking at artwork that is available for us to choose from. So it shows us all this artwork. And if I see one piece of artwork that I like, so I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. And I'm going to click on that image. And then that image is going to show me the collection. So the collection, if you see down here, all these little thumbnails, shows me all of the other pictures that are within this collection. I'm going to go ahead and click on the View All button. And that button also showed me that there were 48 pictures in this collection. So if I look here, all of these pictures, if I chose this collection, these are the pictures that would be available with this collection. So as I'm scrolling down this collection, I am trying to see if I could make a story using these illustrations. Okay, so far I've liked what I've seen. So I'm going to show you how you can use this art. So you simply click on the Use This Art tab, and then you're going to have three options. So the three options we have here is to make a multi-chapter book, we can make a multi-page picture book, or we can make a poem. If I choose to make a poem, it's showing that I can only use one image. Okay, so for today we're going to choose to make a picture book, and then it will automatically take me to my picture book format. So if you see along the sides of our page, we have all of the pictures within our collection. So if I click on that picture, it enlarges it for me so I can see what that picture is a little bit better, and if I would like to use it or not. And I can just click it again if I don't like that image. Again, just to show you, click on it to enlarge the picture, and then you click again to make it small. If that is the image that I would like to choose, I'm simply going to click on it and drag it onto my page, and you see these sections of gray start to form. So I can place my image anywhere I want on my page. So here it would form on the entire page. If I don't want it like that, because then I can't write on my page, then I can have my image move to the top, and then I have an area to enter my text. So if you look down here, this is going to show us how many pages we have in our book. Our book always starts with the cover, and you have 4 options to choose. So you need to make sure that when you choose to create a story, that you make sure you are choosing your cover right away. That way it's easier for you to save at the end. So we're just going to choose this simple cover, and it gives me options to change the colors. And if I click here, I can write my title, and we're just going to simply title it something. And this image I can change just by clicking the images that we have here. So I'm just going to put a book for now. And then to go back to our pages, we're going to click on this arrow here. And you can see my cover here and then my first page. So to add pages, I'm simply going to come over here to this Add button, and I can add as many pages as I would like. And to go to one page from another, I can simply click on it, and you see this blue slider up top shows me which page I am working on. Okay, so we're going to go back to page 1, and again, I can begin typing my story. And then I can click onto page 2, pick another image to insert, and then write my text. So since I've already created my cover and I've titled my story, I can come over here to my Save button, save it, or if I am done working on my book for today, I can click on the Save and Exit. So when we click on the Save and Exit, you're going to be coming to this page, and you have two options here. So you have the option that your story isn't finished yet. You're going to come back and work on it later. So that's the one we want to pick. If I am done, then you have the option to publish your story. I'm finished, publish my story. So on this one, it gives you the option to only share your story with friends and families, and it wouldn't be visible on Storybird. So there's different options that you can do here. So we're going to put my story isn't finished, and I'm going to go back to my dashboard. So if I come here, we have drafts, and then you're going to see what stories you have that you've been working on. So you see I worked on this one earlier, and I have the one that we just worked on today.